क्या आप भी उन्हीं में से हो? Those who want to study abroad but are worried about what happens after graduation. Can you stay back and work there? Which countries offer the best post-study work opportunities? और ऐसे ही बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस अगर आपके अब्रॉड प्लान को डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं तो लेट मी टेल यू, ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. Because here I will break down the post-study work opportunities in various countries like USA, Canada, UK, Ireland, New Zealand, Australia, Finland, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. So stay tuned till the end because I'll also tell you how GradOut can help you with the entire study abroad process. But before we dive in, hit that like button if studying abroad is your goal. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the expert study abroad tips from GradOut. Starting with the number 1, USA. अगर आप अपनी ग्रेजुएशन यूएस की किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी से करते हो तो आप ऑप्शनल प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग यानी ओपीटी के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ओपीटी अलाउज यू टू वर्क फॉर अप टू 12 मंथ्स आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन और अगर आप स्टेम फील्ड से हो तो यू गेट an additional 24 months extension and that's 3 years of work authorization in the US. Tip: many students transition from OPT to H-1B work visas sponsored by employers. So choosing a STEM course can be a game changer for you. Coming to country number 2, Canada. Canada is one of the most student-friendly countries ever. With a post-graduation work permit (PGWP), you can stay and work in Canada for up to 3 years. वो भी अपनी डिग्री को कंप्लीट करने के बाद. The exact duration depends on your course length. Tip: Canadian work experience can help you apply for permanent residency (PR) through express entry programs. Coming to country number 3, UK. The UK has brought back the graduate route. अपनी डिग्री कंप्लीट करने के बाद आप यूके में 2 साल और पीएचडी होल्डर्स 3 साल तक काम कर सकते हैं. नो स्पॉन्सरशिप रिक्वायर्ड. Tip: this time is crucial to secure a skilled worker visa which can lead to long-term work and settlement in the UK. अब बात करते हैं आयरलैंड की. Ireland is a fantastic destination as you all know for post-study work. यहाँ आप 2 years तक stay कर सकते हो under the 3rd level graduate program after completing a master's degree. And here's a tip: Ireland is home to tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Apple, making it a great place to kickstart your career. Coming to Australia, Australia offers the temporary graduate visa, subclass 485, which lets international students work for 2 to 4 years, depending on their qualifications. And here's a pro tip: regional universities offer longer post-study work visas, so consider studying outside major cities. And now बात करते हैं न्यूजीलैंड की. New Zealand allows you to work for up to 3 years after graduation with a post-study work visa. और इसकी लेंथ डिपेंड करती है आपके कोर्स लेवल और स्टडी लोकेशन पे. And here's a tip: employers in New Zealand value local work experience, so start networking early. Many European countries also offer fantastic post-study work opportunities, like Finland, 2 years post-study work visa, France, 2 years of master's graduates, Germany, 18 months for job searching, strong pathway to PR. Coming to Spain, 1 year post-study work permit, and then Italy, 6 to 12 months for job search. Coming to the tip: learning the local language gives you a huge advantage when job hunting in Europe. And अगर अब आप पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क वीजा को लेकर कंफ्यूज फील कर रहे हो, then let me tell you that GradOut is here to help. We provide university and country selection based on career goals, admission and scholarship assistance, visa and post-study work guidance, education loans and student accommodation abroad. And the best part, I think you know it already, that our services are totally free for students. So why figure it out all alone when you can have experts guiding you? So if you are looking to study abroad और आपको यूनिवर्सिटी एप्लीकेशन, स्कॉलरशिप्स, वीजास एंड पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क गाइडेंस में किसी भी तरह की हेल्प चाहिए, then don't forget that we are absolutely free for you. Just fill out the Google form, link is in the description below. Our expert counselors will personally guide you. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more study abroad guidance.